Hi, my name is Natalina from Slaughterhouse Education. I just want to make a quick video on protest art. It's really important that we stop line 3. For anyone who kind of watched anything about Standing Rock, I think it's pretty obvious how things are going. Enbridge is making this pipeline purely for reasons of corporate greed. It has tremendous possibility and probability of causing tremendous damage to our natural resources, the surrounding land, and really what is sacred Dakota land that we have no business on. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration of how to make some protest art. I'm just going to make a simple cardboard sign to show that pretty much anybody can do this. And yeah, let's take it away. So this is really something that everybody can do at home, right? Not everybody necessarily has the capacity or the capability to go up to the pipeline. And so if you're one of those people, this is one way to get involved, is to make artwork and to help fund in that cause. You also can contribute financially, and I will post a bunch of links about how to move forward there. Thanks, guys.